Hi, welcome to Sass of Sabrina and Sass of Mallory. This is our backyard edition. We are doing giant bubbles. Giant bubbles, yeah.
So the first step to the giant bubbles is to make your own giant bubble wand.
Seen a couple different methods. The most common one seems to use some sticks or whatever you have.
So here we have some bamboo. You can use any stick.
And some string.
And then we have our blue string that attaches to the wand. You want this to be about 1 meter long. So the other string has to be double in length. So I did about 2 meters for the white string. Your longer string to be attached to your shorter string. If it's attached to the stick or rod or bamboo stick or whatever you're using, then you'll just end up popping your bubbles. This closes the loop when you attach it to the string.
There's actually 3 recipes we'd like to try. So you need your jug that you're going to mix everything after. So the first recipe calls for hot water, 1 liter of hot water. And everything I read and that we saw said that the better the quality of the dish soap, the better bubbles that you have. 1 cup of dish soap, so 4 tablespoons of glycerin. I'm using vegetable glycerin. I'm hoping it's the same thing. Oh, it's still hot. You have to wait till it's cooling. But let's try it. Oh, I think it popped. We gotta go slow on that. Okay, we got the bubble juice. Oh, it popped. We'll try one more time and then we'll just have to wait till it's cooled down. Oh, it popped! Gotta go slow up. Okay, there it goes. Oh, the wind popped it.
It's ready to blow. I didn't do anything.
No, I don't think this recipe's gonna work. Okay. No! Ah! Oh, it almost went.
Yes, you cannot substitute vegetable glycerin for glycerin. Recipe number 2.
2 liters of water. So 3 of these. Let's test it out with one of these guys. That one's better. Hey, it's not even popping with an arm in it. Oh.
Yeah, cornstarch is the way to go.
I can hear about.
Look, look.
Here it comes. Oh!
Just want to watch them. Mommy, this one watch me.
I know. Oh, that was a big one and it wasn't even on camera. Oh. Now get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
So this one's called bouncing bubbles. You're supposed to literally be able to hold the bubbles in your hand. Everything I saw showed the kid hold it wearing gloves. That's why Mallory had the gloves earlier. So it's 4 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of dish soap.
Okay, let's try it out. It needed a minute to set itself up. Oh, it popped.
Look at my bubble. Can you hold my bubble for me?
I think it's the gloves that save it. I think I'm gonna end up, yeah. Bubble chain.
Da, da, da. Put away my own bubble. Come on.
Oh, Mallory, look at that one! Let it do its thing. Look at that amazing bubble you made! High five! Oh, you didn't do it. You smack it good. Yeah. High five. Oh! In the face. Look at your dress. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, watch on repeat, like, and share. Sass it up.
Stop. Don't stop.